This is verse 12 of the 23rd chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus setting forth what is really axiomatic, not only in the kingdom, but really in life experience as well, as he's warning against those who are puffed up, who try to lord it, as it were, over others, and says that in the kingdom of Christ it will not be that way, that the one who wants to be great should be the servant, and he continues with what amounts to a kind of fundamental principle here. So we have hostis. It's a relative pronoun. It's usually rendered something like whoever. It's expansive, postpositive da. Hupsose. This is from hupsoo. Actually, the root of the word is huper, which means over, and this is kind of turning that preposition into a verb. So whoever makes himself over, exalts himself, puffs himself up, that sort of deal, assumes that attitude would be the notion here. Heoton, this is the reflexive pronoun, whoever exalts himself. Tape no thesetai, this is from tape no o, related to the word to be poor or humble. That's the idea, and it's, you notice in the future passive, he will be made humble. It's the idea. So the one who exalts himself is going to be made humble. And then just as a parallel corollary, kai, hostis, whoever, same word. Tape no se, the same word that we have here, only now it's the active. So this is the third person singular, future active indicative of the word. Whoever will make himself poor, make himself humble is the idea. Heoton, same reflexive pronoun, hupsothesetai. And that, of course, is this word. And that is the notion then, he will be, the passive voice, lifted up. Of course, this is repeated in multiple texts throughout the Scripture, both Old and New Testament. Peter says, humble yourselves under the mighty hand of God, and he will exalt you. It's certainly a notable aspect of human interaction, that when we run into someone who's arrogant, we are put off by it. There's a sense in which such a person winds up very lonely. On the other hand, if you meet someone who's truly, in the proper and deepest sense of the word, humble, who considers others better than himself, there's something highly attractive about such a person, and folks are drawn to such a one. And so Jesus is noting here something that is the common experience of observation of life, and yet he wants to especially emphasize it in connection with life in the kingdom.